friends, I am Aryan and welcome back to the channel, and today we will learn about adverb. So what are adverbs? Adverb is a word that modifies a verb and an adjective. For example, she is a very beautiful girl. He solved the question paper easily. And now we will move to the kinds of adverb. There are three kinds of adverb. One is simple adverb, second is interrogative adverb, and third is relative adverb. So first we will move to the simple adverb. So what is simple adverb? In this adverb it indicates time, place, manner, degree of quantity, affirmation, number and negation. Okay? And now we will move to the types of simple adverb. There are 7 types of simple adverb. They are simple adverb of time, simple adverb of place, simple adverb of number, simple adverb of manner, simple adverb of degree, simple adverb of affirmation and simple adverb of negation. Okay. So first we will move to the simple adverb of time. So in simple adverb of time, it indicates the time. Okay. For example, I will come tomorrow. He will go to school tomorrow. Okay. And now we will move to the simple adverb of place. In simple adverb of place, it indicates the place. For example, Mohan will come here. She will go there. Okay. And now we will move to the simple adverb of number. So in simple adverb of number, we know about how many hours the work have done. Okay. For example, Ravi did it twice. Ajay never tells lie. Okay. Now we will move to the simple adverb of manner. So in simple adverb of manner, it shows how the work has done. For example, the man slept soundly. She had worked hard. And now we will move to the simple adverb of degree. So in this simple adverb of degree, it indicates about the word and its degree of quantity. Okay. For example, the day is very hot. You are quite wrong. And now we will move to the simple adverb of affirmation. So in this adverb, it shows the affirmation. For example, I certainly went to Delhi. Surely you are right. Okay. And now we will move to the simple adverb of negation. So what is simple adverb of negation? So in this adverb, it shows the sense of negation. I never tell a lie. Now we will move to the second kind of adverb, that is adverb of relation. So what is a relative adverb? An adverb which shows or introduce a relative clause is called relative adverb. For example, I don't know the day on which he came. I know the house in which he lives. And now we'll move to the last kind of adverb, that is interrogative adverb. Adverb which is used for asking question is called interrogative adverb. For example, why was he sad? Where are you going? Okay friends, now I have completed the full definition of adverbs. So tata, bye bye.